Hello guys, my name is Audlin Avestin. I am student in Modern Language and Tourism at Open Adult University. Today it's a pleasure for me to talk about the importance of voiced and voiceless sounds. The importance of voiced and voiceless sounds in spoken American English. There are many pairs of consonant sounds that are articulate using the same tongue and mouth shape. Some consonant sounds are voiced. The difference between these pairs of sounds is that one sound is voiced and the other is voiceless. Voiced sound cause the vocal shards to vibrate. Voiceless sounds do not cause the vocal shards to vibrate. When you voice a consonant, it sounds different. Voiced sounds. In spoken English, the X and Z sounds employ the same tongue position and mouth shape. However, the Z is voiced and the X is voiceless. The English Q, K, and G sounds of bats produced in the back of the throat. However, the